Every child has inherent hidden potential that may manifest in different ways, and in some cases may stay dormant if not harnessed. But the fact remains that every child is capable of achieving great feats. There are no ordinary students and genius students. They are all the same. The only thing they need are tools, resources, and a well-structured training to awaken the genius in them. They need teachers and parents that believe in them and provide a platform for them to tap into their potential and express themselves freely. In this video, you are seeing how each child performs one magical feat after another on the fourth day of the workshop. One child effortlessly rattles off the first 100 digits of the value of pi. Another one comfortably says out loud a random list of 100 objects, both forward and backward in just 39 seconds, all from memory. A 7th grader surprises everybody by memorizing the first 50 elements of the periodic table without even knowing how to pronounce them properly. What is most impressive is that these skills are demonstrated not only by a few select students, but each and every student in a class of approximately 60 students between the ages of 10 to 17. Some children led a guided meditation for parents, emphasizing the skills needed to calm one's mind and to get the most out of it. The coaches inspire the kids to push their boundaries and confidently overcome the fear of judgment by a large audience. The children explore their inherent capabilities through simple exercises and examples and discover for themselves the joy of learning and expressing themselves freely.